It is a known fact that the Indian equity markets are going through a good run, but retail participation is far from satisfactory. The need of the hour is for someone to reach out to these retail investors and explain the market to them in their layman language and also through a medium that they are comfortable with. Hello and welcome to Market Mentors presented by Dalal Times, where we'll take a look at a company that's doing exactly that. The times, they are changing, and this change is revolutionizing the mentality of the population. Every day, more and more enthusiasts are tripping on the ups and downs of the stock markets, and thus ensuring to direct them the right way is Dalal Times, a strong investor relationship portal that guides investors in the chaotic world of stock markets and investments and puts them on the right track.
When we started in the year 2014, when we started with multi-month bull run that we are witnessing in the stock market, there was no confidence in the investors or the traders or any other market participants. To give them the confidence, to make them understand that the markets move, markets have beautiful science behind it, to make them empowered, to give them the right kind of information, to make them knowledgeable on the markets, and to be confident enough with the markets, we have created Dalal Times.
Dalal Times is a brand created with great passion. The vision behind creating this brand was very, very clear. We wanted to empower investors with a knowledge platform that could transform their lives. When I say this, I mean that we wanted to give them something that was so powerful that they saw the merit in taking a calculated risk.
Dalal Times stands for its connect with audiences that are craving for the right information but are rather left stranded due to an information overload.
When you look at the information available for the market participant, I believe that market participants have been bombarded with too much of information. But then even today, the best of the information that comes in for the market participants in India is from abroad. So I feel like there's a huge vacuum in the market research front in India. We would like to position ourselves as market researchers, like to give them the information in-house that's made in India.
A startup that is slowly becoming the talk of the town, Dalal Times is slowly gaining momentum in a market already filled with competitors.
Digital was the first, option we chose when we wanted to reach out to people, and eventually we decided that a lot of credibility could also be attracted by the print medium. That's when we did Dalal Times magazine as well. Within a very short span of time, dalaltimes.com and Dalal Times magazine has gone on to change merely a name Dalal Times into the brand Dalal Times, and I'm sure as we progress, Dalal Times is going to be a financial brand you can definitely reckon with. We're clearly positioning ourselves as the brand that is a knowledge center which possesses the understanding of defining stock markets to investors. When we say we want to empower investors, we are not just saying it. You can see it in our products, whether it is the interface of the website or the sections in the magazine. Everything we have created stays true to our brand principles of defining the markets.